In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check backlinks in Google Analytics, and the best part is it will only take 5 minutes to learn. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a corporate website, understanding who links back to your site is crucial for evaluating your online presence and strategy. So let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head to Google Analytics. You can do this by navigating to the Analytics Tools and Solutions for your business page on Google Analytics. This page serves as a great starting point, whether you're new to Google Analytics or an experienced user. If you haven't bookmarked the site, don't worry, you'll find it quickly with a simple search. Once the page loads, locate and click on the sign in button, which will bring you to the login page. Make sure you have your Google account credentials handy. Logging in is straightforward, but just a reminder, be sure you're using the account associated with your website's analytics data. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics home dashboard, a hub of information ready for you to explore. From the home dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the navigation panel. Click on Reports to access detailed insights about your site's performance. The reporting section is where all the magic happens in terms of data analysis, so you want to make sure you're familiar with this area. Following that, select Generate Leads from the available options. This is a crucial step as it guides you toward data that can help you understand how visitors interact with your site and ultimately how they're converting or not converting into leads. Next, within the report options, click on Traffic Acquisition. This section is particularly valuable when it comes to analyzing how users are finding your website. It breaks down where your audience is coming from, showing metrics from different referral sources, including direct links, social media, email campaigns, and more. By focusing on traffic acquisition, you get a window into your website's external link activity, highlighting where your connected backlinks are based. This data can give you insights into which external sites are driving traffic to your site and how effectively those backlinks are performing. Whether you measure success in clicks, conversions, or bounce rates, understanding backlink performance is essential to improving your SEO strategy. And there you have it, a quick and direct guide to checking backlinks in Google Analytics. By following these steps, you can ensure you're leveraging your backlinks effectively to enhance your site's visibility and reach. Remember, regularly checking this data can lead you to insights that can significantly influence your overall marketing and content strategy. Happy analyzing, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.